Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. I think today is the last day of the month. Already coming into October. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do for this Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it. This year is flying by. We have Don Francisco's coffee. Oh boy. Time to wake up and drink some coffee time. And you guys can check them out. Link will be down below. See what other flavors they have to offer. And other goodies they got. Add it to your wish list or to your shopping cart. They'll ship this fast to you. So we got here 3 boxes. Alright. Boom. This is nice put together. And then we have here 1, 2, 3 Kona blend, 10% Kona blend with premium Arabica coffee. You got the standard size K cups. There we go. This is what they look like out of the box. Kona blend. Nice packaging. And like I said, all you coffee lovers out here, you guys could click the link, check them out. Fast shipping. So, got 3 boxes, 24 each. So not bad at all. We're gonna go upstairs and do a little taste, and I'll be back. Alright, YouTubers, we are back in the kitchen. Check out this coffee cup. Oh yeah, Donkey Kong. And if you guys want to purchase that coffee cup, I'll have the link down below. And also check out many other coffee cups they have. Boom. It's perfect. This is the Hamilton Flex Brew. I did the unboxing not too long ago. And I'll leave the link down for this coffee machine too if you guys need it. Coffee cup link will be down below. K-cup link will be down below. Coffee machine will be down below. Now we're just gonna brew. Shouldn't take too long. And shouldn't be any second. Here we go. Yeah, I got enough water, so it should be good. Small cup. I forgot to change the size. Dang. Should be alright though. Here it comes. So this is a Kona blend. Don Francisco's. That's it. Francisco's. It's a little still early. I just woke up, so I need a little cup of Jill. And I'll be up. Here we go. Here we go. 1 drip, 2 drip, 3 drip. Drip. I can smell a little bit. Any second. Second. Don't worry. It's getting warmed up right now. You can hear it brewing. There it goes. Here comes the drip. Any second. Oof. She's ready. She's ready to let it rip. Let it rip. Oh yeah. There it goes. Oh, it smells good. I like coffee smell. Oh, look at that. Shit, I can't change the size either, dang. So I got it set to 10. I think this might be a 10. Here it is. I don't know if that helped. Here we go. Oh, that smells good. Drink up, YouTubers. Gotta do a little stir. I need to get one of those stir spoons. Ah, yeah, look at that. Bada boom. Dang. Magic. Pretty cool. Check them out, YouTubers. Don Francisco's Kona blend. Be safe. Have a good day. See you in the next video.